Tip 66. Future tense. Actions or events that will happen at a later time. Simple future. Will as auxiliary plus main verb infinitive. Example. Affirmative. He will walk tomorrow. Interrogative. Will he walk tomorrow? Negative. He will not walk tomorrow. Interrogative negative. Will not he walk tomorrow? Actions or events that will be in progress at a specific time. Future continuous. Will be plus main verb gerund or finalizing in ing. Example. Affirmative. He will be walking tomorrow. Interrogative. Will he be walking tomorrow? Negative. He will not be walking tomorrow. Interrogative negative. Will not he be walking tomorrow? Tip 66. Exercise. Change to interrogative. Mary will work at BMS. Will Mary work at BMS? John and Anne will be cooking for the party. Will John and Anne be cooking for the party? I will stop think about this. Will I stop think about this? Children will play here. Will children play here? She will be resting during all night. Will she be resting during all night?